planes of the head, which is the demonstration for today, they work hand in hand with the understanding that we gain from Frank Riley's more curvilinear abstraction.
As the protege to the famous Fred Fixler, who worked directly under the legendary Frank Riley, Mark Westermo gained unrivaled knowledge of the Riley method for drawing the head, upon which he founded an illustrious career in Hollywood movie poster design. He later founded Associates in Art in Southern California, a top school for illustrators, from which many alumni became the who's who in the fields of figurative art. We hope that this series helps serve as part of his legacy.
You'll hear art teachers talking about you've got to do your construction. You have to construct more. But explaining what they mean by construct sometimes is left out. And so that's what we're trying to do here. So I hope this goes toward an explanation of what to look for when constructing the head.